there are 4 terms given. Generally 4 terms we group them in 2 twos. But when you do this, you will not find a common factor after second step. The bracket will not be same. But if you again observe these 4 terms, there are 3 perfect square terms. This is a perfect square. This is a perfect square. This is also a perfect square. Out of 4, when there are 3 perfect squares, you will not group them in twos. You will group them as a single term and group of 3 terms. 2 groups will be 1 term single and 3 terms together. Which 3 terms will come together is decided by the term which is not a perfect square. 60z. So there is one variable z and no other variable. Whichever variables are present in the non-perfect square, that those terms will go together. So 25z square will group with 60z, and there is no other variable, means the constant square number will be also the part of this group. So these 3 terms, constant means without variable, 36. 36 is a constant and it is a perfect square. So these 3 will go in a group. So 100y square as it is minus, now remember minus sign and bracket has a common thing to do, change of sign. So 25z square minus 60z plus 36. Whenever you put the bracket in whichever step and there is a minus sign outside, you change the sign. Now you see this is a perfect square of 5z and this is a square of 6. So if you have a square, if you have b square, you need 2ab. You need 2ab. So 2ab is equal to 60 in this question, 60z. 5 to z 10, 10 into 60 and the variable z. So which identity is this? A minus b whole square, where a is 5z and b is 6. So 5z minus 6 whole square. And the first term is a perfect square of 10y. And now this is a different identity, a square minus b square. If there are 2 square numbers and a minus sign between them, you remove the square, you remove the power, one bracket you add, one bracket you subtract. So a plus b, a minus b. So here 10y plus 5z minus 6 in one bracket, addition, and in other bracket, subtraction. No, this is not the final answer. (10y plus 5z minus 6), 10y minus 5z, and a minus minus plus. This is your answer.